Saturday, guys. This is like my second Saturday in my new spot, but today we're gonna make some breakfast. I still gotta go get some things, but right now, today I'm gonna take you guys on a tour of the apartment. This is the unfurnished, kind of sort of unfurnished version, because I did move some things in, guys, so hey, bear with me here. I was just trying to get it done, okay? Y'all know how they go. So I'm gonna take y'all with me to check that out. So about to make some breakfast too, so I'll probably let you guys see what I'm cooking for today. This is the kitchen area. That's the kitchen area. And here, like I said, excuse the mess, trust me. That's just sitting there temporarily, but that's the balcony there. I'm not really gonna show too much outside because, you know, for privacy, but I got these TVs put up here. Got a little laundry area right here. You know, washer and dryer. By the way, I'm gonna be the first person here in this, and this is nothing but like, you know, the vac room or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna be the first person to ever be in this unit. This is a brand new unit. So yeah, so that is, so sorry y'all can't see outside too much, but I have another TV to put up, both 65 inches. So, you know, my guests, when they come over, they'll have somewhere to watch, you know, a nice size, you know, nice entertainment area / TV. My little sister, she's in the bathroom right now, but I'm gonna show you the bathroom in a minute. But this is the outside area of the bathroom. Really love these doors, these sliding doors. Really love these. That was a plus for me. I really love it, and like, I'm with it. What is this? Period. But yeah, I can't wait till y'all see when it's all furnished and done. The final video, and we're gonna be doing some challenges in here. We're gonna be doing some videos, some talk time, you know, all kinds of things coming, y'all. So be on the lookout, period. And I'm gonna place this on a brief hold, and I'm gonna show y'all the bathroom area in a minute. Okay. All right, y'all, I'm back, okay? I don't know why the lighting is like this in here right now, but I wanted to show y'all the bathroom, period. So this is the bathroom, y'all. So yeah, this is the bathroom. Let me back up a little bit. So let's start off, because I showed y'all the doors, right? So the doors slide. So I love these sliding doors right here. I love them. I love these doors. So perfect. So it's so convenient, you know? So this is the bathroom. This is the shower. It's like a stand-up shower. I love that. So hold on, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me, y'all. That's toilet, you know. It's like a cute little nice bathroom. Like, I love it. Anyway, this is my cute little, you know, my little stand towel supposed to go in there or whatever. So when y'all come over, this is what a towel's gonna be. It clearly says bath towels. But yeah, y'all, this is it. Jaden wanna be in the camera so bad. So hey, it's Jaden, y'all. It's Jaden. And we about to go shopping. I ordered me something this morning, y'all. Let me turn the camera around. I ordered me something this morning or whatever, cause I ordered me from Gucci. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is, period. But I was like, sis, they ain't have it in Saks Fifth. I looked, so I had to order it online, and they better ship me my stuff. Period. Jaden, okay, shouldn't have been in my camera so bad. So yeah, y'all. So, ooh, the lighting is good in here. So I'm about to do that or whatever. I'm about to gather my things and I'm about to go. Y'all gonna see the finished product or whatever. And I can't wait for y'all to see everything come together. So I really appreciate y'all for tuning in, though. I really do. And please tell a friend to subscribe to your girl channel, because we about to drop bangers after what?
Don't know.
Bangers.
Oh, okay.
After bangers. Period.
Redo it.
No, it's okay. So bye. Say bye, Jaden.
Bye.
Bye. So we're gonna see y'all when we get to, I don't know, but I'm gonna follow back up. I'm gonna follow back up with y'all. So
I'm gonna go pick up the fam.
Period.
And that's all what? Mary had a little lamb.
Wage. Fuck the nigga, I'm trying to get paid. Bitches working for minimum wage.
Get out the way. My bitch on your ass can pay. Yeah, no disrespect. The nigga be tripping, but we love ya. Swapping, I cost on my bitch. I bought her the limo, she bought me the ring. Swapping, practice, make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never. I did the out of the state. I did the soul out the snake. Then I did the bills up out of the bank. The block and the media fake. Shouted DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gonna bite on the bait. Sipping no toxic waste. On the low with your bitch and it's great. Mask on the face, case. Watching that shot, we in shape. If I go bro, she gon' leave, escape. She gone. I put 2 million in safe, just in case. Don't go my way, no cap. My kids gotta have money, not just me. It's selfish. Ooh, I take the crowd, became like Mike did Elvis. Ooh, the world is wild, you dying, no lie, that don't help a bro. Ooh, your bitch wanna eat up the drip, and you cannot help. Strap straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't wanna cause
What is poppin', Milan Nation? What it do? I just came from the Louis store. This is the first day of fucking vacation, and I'm excited. Sorry about the language, but what's up, guys? The first day of vacation. I'm excited. I just left the Louis store. I'm about to go head on over to the nail shop. The plane boards for 6:30, so we gotta be, at the airport around, I guess, 5 o'clock or so, whatever, 5:30. But yeah, so we're going to LA. If y'all don't know, if y'all haven't read the title already, so I'm excited. This is day 1, and y'all, we about to be drunk. Me and my best friend and my friends, my trip buddies, we about to be drunk, okay? Period. So y'all got me some really cute shades, and I got me a traditional, like a Louis bag or whatever. And y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I cannot wait, okay, to get to this trip. Like, I can't wait to landing, like, for real, y'all just don't understand. So I just wanted to kind of check in with you guys and let you guys know that we are on day 1 of the LA trip. I'm still in New Orleans, as you can see in my background. I am actually on Canal Street right now, and I'm about to go to get my nails done. So you heard me. I'm excited. I'm about to cry. I said I wasn't gonna cry. Y'all, my nails a mess. I had a little episode yesterday in the nail shop. The lady wasn't doing my nails right, and like I was telling her, like, this not coming out right, ma'am. Like, and she wasn't even putting a lot of like effort into it. And so this lady ended up telling me something like, you don't talk to people like that. And she ended up calling me racist and stuff. Like, girl, what are you talking about? This is this lady's job. Like, y'all, for real, people out there and mind other people's business, like, y'all need to mind y'all business, period. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all.
Nervous. But guess what? I know he's from the hood. You know that boy Daddy is?
Yeah.
Applecard. That's Applecard Jr. That's Applecard.
Who that is?
That's Applecard Jr.
He
That
met my daddy.
That's Applecard
He
Jr.
can take some of anything. Some of the hard ones.
I'm weak. Y'all, that was not that big.
Woo! Oh, you
I
took
think
yours
I
already?
might be turning to alcoholic.
Man, you took yours already?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna get over your sink and take mine because I don't want to mess up your nice little floors.
I know you lying. Wait, you didn't take yours?
Babe, I'm
Look at this
old.
boy, yo. Look at this boy.
Oh,
Got shots
I'm
in
a
his hand.
drinker.
I just cannot.
You turn my head.
First of all, baby, don't act like you don't be taking no shots. Don't act like
I don't. This is taboo to me.
you be taking
whatever,
shots.
baby.
You be taking no shots.
Look at him. Now he trying to
Wash it
I hear you.
Get it all down though. I need to drink some water so I can be hydrated. Okay, that was our first shot.
Oh, that was a.
Day 1, first shot.
Oh, okay.
You thought they was about to tell no?
I can't stand Virgo. I cannot.
Nerves ain't done nothing.
If you don't take that shot.
I thought I took it.
Wow. Wow.
Watch him.
Go ahead, babe. Go ahead, take that shot.
Don Julio.
You got
This
it.
support a shot just for a single right here.
It's all right. It's all right. We could just figure it out from,
She
we
told
know.
you half was a shot. It looked like you pulled more than a half.
See,
Let me see that.
That's more
Wow,
than a half.
y'all. That's a little
throwing up.
shot and a
I'm
half.
gonna throw up.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
I'm
No,
gonna
you're
some
not.
water in the sink.
All
Wow.
you had was chicken. You shouldn't throw up.
I don't take shots no more.
Period.
Don't want to get a certain age.
That's dangerous.
What is this boy doing? Derek, take that shot.
I'm gonna get tasted. Cause I almost threw up this morning. I went to try to drink that. I'm
Why
gonna
you
take
so
the shot.
funny? Wait. Wait. You got it. And a 1. And a 2. And let's go. Okay. About to drink that torque drink. That torque drink. Was it good? Was it bad? What was it? How was it? It wasn't bad? All right.
Bad. What you checking in?
I checked in at
You be
1 eye. Yeah.
ABC.
Huh?
Well, all right. I'm about to get out there. That's cool. All right, love you, man.
Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir.
Thank you so much, bro. No problem.
We really appreciate you for getting us here.
That's what we thought.
Period.
Oh, my fault.
Ah! It's still my fault.
Not telling no, baby I watch, I wanna test. If you want play, I got the game. Girl, I know I gave you that shit. BS4, pussy station that bitch.
We just landed in LAX, guys. What time is it? Late. 9:13. I'm egg. At night. Still got that little Casamigos in there somewhere. I sure didn't. I needed some juice, man. I couldn't take that like that. It's strong. Shut up. So yeah, we can't wait to get to the house. Oh yeah, we gotta figure out how we about to do this. Where we supposed to be going? To our separate house, or we supposed to be going to one house?
He just said we can meet here.
Oh, all right, cool. So yeah, we about to do meet the others. Gang, so when I get to the house.